Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Windows Update error. The error code is 0xca020007 on Windows 10. Go to the start menu and type CMD, right click and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, click on yes and type CFC /scan now and hit enter. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. When the process is ending, close this window and go to the start menu and type on power off button and click on restart to apply the change. Login in your desktop. And this is all. Your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.